Did you knew your iPhone camera can open from this button? I bet you do. You guys are clever. But did you knew that you can customize this button to use different options in camera only from this button? First you need to open settings and then go to camera. From here go to camera control, and here you can select if you want to open the camera by single click or double clicking the button, and after that you click on the camera adjustments and your more options will open. Click here. Now you can select the gesture. If you want to open the options when camera is open, you just light press or you swipe and more options of the camera will open. And you can also control the preference of options. Here if you click on the check items, then those items can appear on your list or your camera menu list. And you can also bring options to the top, like just click here and drag it to the top, and now camera will show on the top of a list. I think this feature is good because it allows you to control your camera just from one button. And thank you so much for watching the video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.